Open the boxes with your box cutter carefully to avoid scratching the finished panel surface. Neatly lay out all the parts and hardware and identify all the parts using the parts list. We recommend placing finished panels on a towel to prevent accidentally scratching the surface during assembly. Let's start with assembling the drawer. Locate the back and two side drawer panels. Align the dovetail joints of the side panels into the back panel and push them together. Push firmly on the boards or gently tap them with your mallet to ensure they are firmly connected. When the boards are securely in place, use your nail gun to reinforce the bond. Slide the bottom panel of the drawer into place before installing the drawer front. Once the drawer box is fully assembled, turn the box over so the bottom panel is facing upwards. Align the drawer clips with the pre-drilled holes and attach them using the screws provided. Then, set the drawer aside for later use. Next, let's assemble the body of the cabinet. Place the cabinet door face down on your work surface and apply the included rubber door bumpers. These will help prevent denting the finish when we attach the door to the face frame, as well as keeping the door flush with the frame. Insert the hinges into the large pre-drilled holes on the back of each door and use your power drill to fasten them with the tapered edge screws. Close the soft close hinges and then carefully lay the face frame on top of the door with the grooves facing up. The hinges should align with the pre-drilled holes, into which you will fasten the hinges with the shorter pan-style screws. Line up the L brackets so the backs are facing the groove on the back of the face frame. Use your drill to attach the L brackets. Locate the two side panels and slide them into the grooves until flush with the top and bottom of the face frame, then fasten with screws. When the two side panels are installed, slide the floor of the cabinet into the grooves in the side panels. You may gently tap it into place with the rubber mallet to ensure a secure fit. Locate the back panel, sliding it into the two vertical grooves on the back of the face frame. There will be a groove towards the bottom of the back panel for the floor panel to fit into. Use your nail gun to secure the side panel to the back panel. Use your drill to screw the longer black screws into the 4 evenly spaced holes on the lower part of the back panel to secure the back panel and floor of the cabinet. Flip the cabinet onto its back so the doors of the cabinet are facing upwards, and use your nail gun to attach the toe kick. Insert the drawer facets into the pre-drilled holes in the back of the cabinet's box and use your drill to screw them into place. If your walls are uneven, the drawers are slightly adjustable from the facets. Line up the rails with the facets and pre-drilled holes on the face frame. There will be 3 sets of holes in the front of the rails. For base cabinets, you will attach with the taper-style screws into the front holes of the rails. Install the plastic corner blocks. These will help distribute the weight and further stabilize the cabinet as you move it into its final place for installation. Finally, insert your shelf pins into the holes at your desired height and carefully angle the shelf panel into place. Congratulations for completing your assembly. Stand back and enjoy your beautiful new cabinets.